Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and again, we are here in Laguna, Niguel, Orange County, just south of LA, at the incredible Ritz-Carlton, Laguna, Niguel. And you won a beautiful luxury hotel that's right on the ocean with amazing ocean views. Gotta be the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna, Niguel. I love coming down here for weekend getaways. It's about an hour from LA, even an hour from my place in the valley. And love the oceanfront rooms and suites here that have this amazing sweeping view of Laguna Niguel and blue Pacific. You got people surfing down there, having fun on the beach. And then kind of around the corner there is Dana Point. And there's lots of fun stuff to do there. Stand-up paddleboarding, whale watching, fishing, things like that. It's a really clear day, as you can see. And right dead center is Catalina, which is 26 miles away. So you can see how clear it is today. So again, Luxury Fred here at the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna, Niguel. Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and I am at the beautiful and windy Laguna Niguel and Dana Point here at one of my favorite places to stay in Southern California, the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna Niguel. And just look at the view from our balcony. Just beautiful. Look at that ocean. And out there is Catalina. It's very windy, so you can see Catalina quite clearly today. And I am going to head inside and give you a tour of this oceanfront guest room here at the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna Niguel. Okay, so we have a very nice room here, very nice stylish room with this room has two queen beds, and the key point here, there's my luxury Latrice girlfriend, and she's out on the balcony there, and you can see the amazing view from the bed, things like that, of the ocean. And we have a workspace and desk right here, a nice big flat screen TV where we're watching The Revenant on the in-room pay-per-view, and a little couch seat here, the other bed, and something interesting, the mini bar and the other things are in this cabinet here. We have a refrigerator and in-room safe and the coffee maker and things like that. Again, this is an oceanfront room here at the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna Niguel. And very big walk-in closet, nice silver substantial hardware on the doors. And we have a nice little walk-in closet here with drawers and a rack for hanging clothes. And then into the bathroom, which of course is very nice. Again, we stayed here last night, so it has been used, but great marble walls, marble floor, and twin vanities here. Nice bathtub. And toilet room here with a very nice kind of shark skin wallpaper there. So that concludes the tour of this oceanfront guest room here at the Ritz-Carlton, Laguna Niguel. And we're about an hour south of downtown LA in Orange County. An easy drive from LA down the 5 freeway. And this is a great area, lots of things to do. Relaxing things, good restaurants, And the Dana Point area has a lot of cool, you can go whale watching, you can go fishing on charter boats and things like that. There's a harbor and there's an active kind of waterfront lifestyle there. And if you're successful in life, then you can afford one of these houses, which I think is called Ritz Cove, which is a residential development right here next to the Ritz-Carlton with some beautiful houses. And again, we just have this beautiful, I keep saying beautiful, but I just think that's the best word to describe it, this coastline view here. From the Ritz-Carlton.